Hey everyone, now you can very easily connect Claude AI with Blender using the MCP server and create anything you want just by typing prompts. With the new Blender connector, you can model and animate anything directly from Claude. So let me show you how you can do this step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the Claude desktop version installed on your system. This is required. Once you open Claude Desktop, look at the left sidebar. You will see options like New Chat, Projects, Artifacts, and there is also an option called Customize. Click on that. Inside Customize, you will find two tabs, Skills and Connectors. Click on Connectors. Now click on Connect Your Apps. Here you will see many connectors like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Figma, and so on. Use the search bar and type Blender. Once you find it, click the plus icon, then click Install. Make sure your Blender version is at least 1.0.1 or higher before installing. Now, you also need to install an add-on in Blender to use the MCP server. Go to the official Blender website, blender.org, download the MCP add-on. You can either drag and drop it into Blender or install it manually after downloading. Now open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Adds-on, click on the drop-down top right, Install from Disk. Then select the folder or file where you have downloaded the add-on and install it. Now go back to Claude Desktop. You will see the Blender connector is installed and enabled. Click on Configure and grant the required permissions. You can allow permissions or customize as needed. Back in Blender, add-on section, you may see server is stopped. Online access must be enabled. To fix this, go back to blender.org, use the drag and drop into Blender option. When prompted, click Allow Online Access. Also enable Open blend files with this version. Allow online access. Now you can check again, the server should show running. Now let's open both Blender and Claude Desktop and test it live. So here is my first prompt. I typed delete default cube and add a cylinder. Claude executed Python code and boom, Blender replaced the cube with a cylinder. Now my second prompt is add spheres around the cylinder in a circle. Within seconds, spheres were added perfectly around the cylinder. Now here is my third prompt for animation. Animate these spheres moving around the cylinder. And yes, animation applied successfully. The spheres are now rotating smoothly around the cylinder. Now, here is my next prompt. Create a beautiful cold drink bottle with the tag Fresh Up. And look at this, a complete model, beautiful bottle, lighting setup, camera placement, water droplets, text label. Honestly, if I did this manually, it could take an hour. Now let's try something harder. Create a helicopter model. And surprisingly, it actually created one. The design looks good overall, but since this is still new, some parts like rotor blades aren't perfectly aligned. I asked it to fix and animate them, but results were not perfect yet. Still, this is a huge step forward. It makes 3D modeling much faster and easier, and with time, this will only get better. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.